Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to see you here. Today, we are going to learn English using a special technique called shadowing. What is shadowing? Shadowing is when you listen to someone speaking English and try to repeat what they say exactly how they say it. This method helps improve pronunciation, intonation, and listening skills. It is like being a shadow, following every move. How to use this video. 1. First, listen as I read a story. All the words will appear on the screen for you to follow along. 2. Then repeat after me, copying my tone and rhythm. 3. Don't worry about getting it perfect. Practice makes progress. Why this story? I recently heard this story and thought it would be perfect for learning English. It is interesting, useful, and written in clear, easy English. Sarah's story. A travel experience ***. I am at the airport, excited to fly to New York for the first time. I have my ticket, passport, and bags. At the check-in desk, the lady smiles and hands me my boarding pass, seat 17A. I love window seats. I go through security, which takes forever, but I finally reach gate 23. The announcement comes. Flight 567 to New York is now boarding. My heart races. I find my seat, but someone is sitting there. A man in a blue jacket. Nervous, I say, "Excuse me, sir, this is my seat." He checks his ticket. "Oh, my ticket says 17A. I think this is my seat." I double-check mine. It also says 17A. He smiles and says, "No problem, you can have it." I feel guilty but sit down. Mid-flight, a flight attendant approaches. "Excuse me, but I think there has been a mistake. Your seat is actually 17C, the aisle seat." My face turns red. The man was right all along. Embarrassed, I apologize. He just laughs. Don't worry, mistakes happen. His kindness teaches me something important. It is okay to admit when you are wrong. Lessons from Sarah's story. This story is not just about a seat mix-up. It teaches valuable lessons about communication, patience, and learning from mistakes. Double-check your ticket ***. Avoid simple mistakes that can lead to confusion. Mistakes are okay. We all make them. The key is to learn from them. Kindness matters. The man stayed calm and patient. He could have been rude, but he chose to be kind. Confidence in communication. Sarah spoke up politely and solved the situation without arguing. The way we communicate matters. Being polite and calm can make any situation easier. Useful phrases from the story. Here are some important travel phrases you can use in real-life situations. Excuse me, this is my seat. Use if someone is sitting in your seat. Let me check my ticket. A polite way to confirm travel details. Have a good flight. A friendly way to wish someone a safe trip. Travel vocabulary. Boarding pass. The ticket needed to get on a plane. Window seat, middle seat, aisle seat. The 3 seating options. Security check. The process where airport staff check your bags and ID. Gate. The area where you wait before boarding. Polite conversation phrases. Not just in travel, but in daily life. Politeness can help you communicate better. Here are a few key phrases. Don't worry about it. A kind way to say everything is okay. Mistakes happen. A phrase to comfort someone after an error. Enjoy your trip. A positive way to wish someone well. It's okay, no problem. A simple way to make someone feel at ease. Practice time. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. Excuse me, this is my seat. Let me check my ticket. Don't worry about it. Mistakes happen. Enjoy your trip. Great job. These phrases will help you in many different situations. Whether you are traveling or simply having a conversation in English. The power of learning through stories. Listening to and repeating real-life conversations helps build confidence in English. When you learn from stories, you remember words and expressions more naturally. The more you practice, the more fluent you will become. Learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It is about real communication. It is about feeling confident when speaking with others, just like Sarah did when she politely handled the situation. Final thoughts. What would you have done in Sarah's situation? Would you have insisted on keeping the seat or switched right away? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. Your support helps me create more useful content for you. Remember, learning a language is not just about words and grammar. It is about connecting with people. Keep practicing, stay curious, and enjoy the journey. See you in the next video.